Hey, thanks for taking a quick watch here. I wanted to do a very quick overview of your website, talk about some of the things that Google cares about when Google's deciding who to show on that first page when people are searching for your services. So, first things first, I wanted to say I'm a big fan of this website. Um, I think this stuff right here, interacting with your mouse as it moves around, is great. It's eye catching. Really think that's cool. So the things I want to talk about, obviously Google is looking at a ton of different factors when determining where you are going to show up in those search rankings when someone searches for house cleaning. But the four I want to talk about today real quick are the technical SEO. This is just some of the back end stuff. Not going to touch on it too much. We can talk about that more another time if that's something that is needed. But more importantly, content, or the words on your page. Backlinks. This is other people linking to you around the web. Google sees these as kind of a vote for you and your website in the if you think of the Google search results as kind of a popularity contest, then the links to you is a vote for you. And another way to get a vote is with what's called a citation. So this is where your business name, address, and phone number show up together around the web. So we'll look at all that stuff. First things first, let's talk about content. You've got a couple of paragraphs here. Having the reviews, especially these 5-star reviews, is awesome. And so generally speaking, what Google is looking for is about 1,500 words of content on your homepage. This gives you the opportunity to add keywords that people are searching for. So, Los Angeles house cleaning or house cleaning service, deep cleaning service. Currently, anything surrounding the coronavirus or COVID-19 is going to be something that people are going to be searching for. So that's something you can do. Just add some content. You can definitely, beef up this content here a little bit. You can probably even add an additional section with some services. And then your individual service pages. Generally, what Google likes to see is about 250 to 500 words. So this is pretty good here. Again, you can always add a little bit more. But I like what your service pages, individual service pages, look like. So, if we talk a little bit about competition, when we look for Los Angeles house cleaning, these guys right here at the top, these top three in this map pack, these are the ones that are going to get the majority of the phone calls, the clicks, and the inquiries on their contact page or quote pages on their website. So being right here is important, and that's what we want to do. So generally, you can expect any company that's here is likely going to have a website that's on this first page. So if we scroll down, let's see, sure enough, Maya cleaning service right there. That's one of the top ones there. So if we can do the things to get you on this front page, we'll likely be able to get your business map listing in this top spot here. So how do we do that? The backlinks and the citations are what we need to look at. So if we go back to your site and open up my tool here, this allows me to look at basically what Google sees. So this number right here, this 27, so it seems to be there's 27 links as far as Google is concerned coming to your homepage from around the web. Okay. Now, if we go look at some of your competition again, let's check out Maya Cleaning Service again. Same tool here is showing us 53 that they have. So this is something that we can absolutely get some additional high quality links from sites in your niche that can really boost your rankings there. The technical stuff, I don't want to talk about too much. You don't have a whole lot that's super important. There's definitely some improvements that can be made, but that's not going to be super important. The last thing is what we call citations. So again, this is where your business name, phone number, and address show up together around the web. When I search your business name with the phone number, we get 27 results. So a lot of these are the same ones. So Yelp has happened a couple times, but then this is the kind of thing where you could get on Yahoo Small Business Listing and the Better Business Bureau and local Chamber of Commerce sites and that kind of stuff. So again, these act as votes for you in that Google popularity contest. So I've gone past 5 minutes. I don't want to take any more of your time. Excuse me. If you have questions, I'd love to answer them. Would love to get you on the phone with my partner, Owen, who can really show you some more things that you can do to help your own rankings, and really just talk about if there's anything that we can do for you to help. We'd love to chat about that as well. There'll be a link to book a call if you want to in the description of this video, as well as in the email that I'm going to send you. Thanks.